Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places. And today we'll be doing a very interesting chapter of our grammar, that is position words. देखिए position words actually में क्या होते हैं? They are known as preposition. जो हमेशा हमेशा और हमेशा noun और pronoun की preposition बताते हैं कि उनका क्या relation है पूरे sentence में. So let's just begin with this. जैसे हम ये words देखते हैं ना, in, on, under, at, behind, besides, after, until, still, all are these prepositions. So let's just begin with this preposition. So the title of our chapter is position words, right? So you have to discuss with your class fellows about the position words and you have to make a list. Now just look at the pictures carefully and read the sentences which are given below. देखिए, a monkey is on the tree. अब ये tree के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है, तो ये on क्या है? Preposition, right? And a monkey is under the tree. देखिए tree के नीचे बैठा हुआ है, right? And a monkey is behind the tree. Monkey जो है tree के पीछे है. Over here, a monkey is in the house. House के अंदर है. A temple is near the house. House के घर के पास क्या है? Temple है. A bird is flying over the tree. Tree के ऊपर. देखिए over का मतलब होता है जब आप किसी चीज को ऐसे फेंक कर उसके ऊपर रख देते हैं, तो वो जो डिस्टेंस कवर होता है ना, वो जंप करके, उसको कहते हैं हम over, right? Now in the above sentences में जो words हैं on, under, behind, in, near and over, ये सब क्या दिखाते हैं? This shows the position of the naming words. Naming words मतलब nouns की position दिखाते हैं. कहाँ पे? जैसे कि monkey, temple, bird with the other naming words, right? And hence these are known as position words, or you can say the preposition. और उन्हें क्या बोला जा सकता है? Preposition, right? Thus we can say that preposition or you can say position words are the words, ये वो words होते हैं that tells us someone जिसके बारे में, or you can say something in relation to the another person or thing. Another person or thing के साथ जो relation रहता है उसके बारे में कौन बताते हैं? Position words, right? Recap, position words are also known as prepositions, right? And preposition tells us that something or someone in relation to the another person or thing. कि another person or thing से क्या relation है? In, on, under, near, above, into, besides, behind, etc. ये सब क्या है? Preposition, right? Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be underlining the position words in the following sentences, right? देखिए first sentences में the bird is in the nest, ये in क्या है? Preposition है. Aman goes to school, Aman school जाता है, right? A beggar is at the door. The frog jumped into the well, into क्या है? Preposition है. Mother is sitting on the stool, right? A man is under the tree, tree के नीचे है. There is a church near my house, मेरे घर के पास. I study in class 1, मैं class 1 में पढ़ता हूँ. The sky is above us, ये above क्या है? Preposition है, right? और is तो क्या है? Main verb है. Birds are flying in the sky, in क्या है? Preposition, right? So I hope you all understood this chapter. This chapter is quite easy, and there is one homework for all of you, that while reading any source of the book, whether you are reading your academic book or any other book, story book, please you make sure that you will make a list of all those prepositions that come in that part that you are reading. At least read 2 to 3 pages each day, so that it will definitely help you in reading, in solving all the reading comprehensions on your own. And please keep studying hard for your exam and stay blessed. Thank you.